We are a company of gardeners. That sounds nice, like poetry even, but what does it mean? Since the dawn of gardening, people have been solving problems their own way. Designed by GSC is our way of bringing the best solutions available today to our home gardeners. Sometimes that means making improvements to classic gardening products. Sometimes it means creating something entirely new. But all of our Designed by GSC offerings start the same way: listening. Whether you're letting us know about a quality issue with a part or product, or sharing your creative and unexpected hacks for using our products, you are the inspiration for our innovations. Our merchants and product design and development team work tirelessly to keep their finger on the pulse of gardening innovations and always push themselves to create something that will make people say,
"Ooh! Holy!"
Some of that process looks like this. But most of it, honestly, looks more like this. Eventually, though, it looks like this. And even when it looks like that, our job isn't done. As a company of gardeners, we don't design anything that we haven't tested in the garden. We start putting it through its paces in our own test garden, a couple hundred feet from our offices and design lab. Then, it's time to engage our secret weapons, our nationwide network of test gardeners. Home gardeners just like you that we rely on to give us the honest critiques that can take a product from good to great, even if it hurts sometimes. At the end of the day, we're a company of gardeners. And for us, gardening is
Peaceful, creative. It's good for my health.
My food supply.
Designed by GSC is our attempt to make gardening just as enjoyable for everyone.